Changing the air filter on a Mazda CX-5 is one of those stupidly easy things that somehow looks more complicated than it is. It takes like 5 minutes tops and costs about $20. Mechanics charge $50 to $100 for it. Why? Your owner's manual will say to change it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, but if you live in a dusty place or do lots of stop-and-go traffic, you'll want to eyeball it closer to 10,000. If it looks dingy or gray, time to swap it. First step, pop the hood. There's a little liver under the dash on the driver's side. Pull it and you'll hear a clunk. Then go around front and find the safety latch just under the hood. Slide it and lift. You're looking for the air filter housing, which is a black plastic box on the right-hand side of the engine, passenger side. It has metal clips on it, not screws, not bolts, just spring-loaded metal clips. Flip those open. Lift the top of the housing carefully. You don't have to completely remove it, just lift it open enough to slide the old filter out. The filter looks like an accordion, usually white with rubbery sides, probably dusty and gross. Slide the old one out, take a second and look at it. Sometimes dead bugs or leaves hitch a ride. That's stuff your engine isn't breathing in. Fast way to kill horsepower is a suffocated engine, like trying to sprint with a pillow over your face. Pro tip: when you buy your new filter, make sure it's the exact fit for your CX-5's model year. They change specs slightly between years. I learned that the hard way. Bought one that didn't quite seal? Dumb mistake. Before you put in the new filter, give the inside of the airbox a quick wipe with a rag, not water, just a dry cloth to remove dust and any random debris. You'll be shocked what's hiding down there sometimes. Candy wrappers, pebbles, a golf tee once. Slide in the new filter the same way the old one was oriented. It should lay flat and flush. No bulges, no forcing. If it doesn't drop in easily, something's off. Take it out and double-check the placement. Close the lid of the filter housing and then snap those clips back into place. Push until you hear a solid click. That's how you know it's secure. You don't want this thing flying open mid-commute. It won't, usually, but still. Start the engine and give it a few revs. You won't instantly feel a massive difference, but over time, a clean air filter can get you back 6 to 11% gas mileage. That adds up. Plus, your engine runs smoother. Little things matter. Bonus tip: set a reminder in your phone calendar 12,000 miles from now, or just tie it to every third oil change. That way you aren't guessing, and your car won't slowly choke to death while you assume everything is fine.